I have a PECHAM Bidet attachment. Go ahead and show you how to install this step by step. So really quickly, this is the box, plain box that it came in. And inside the box, you get the bidet itself. This is a dual nozzle. You have one for your rear and the other nozzle for the female side. And you can see the knobs right here. Now in this pack here, you have your limited warranty info as well as your assembly instruction, which you're not going to need. Now inside this bag, you also get your hose right here. You get your T adapter, and you also get these rectangle adapters that basically you're just going to put on there. But I'll show you how to do all of that, and in the video will also go, and I'll show you how to use the knob here as well. So first step is we want to go ahead and take off the toilet seat. You can go ahead and pop these on the back. You should have a screw there, most likely a Phillips head, and you have a bolt, a nut that's underneath it as well. So we want to go ahead and unscrew this. Okay, this is one, and the second one. And the second one here. Now simply go ahead and lift up your toilet seat, just like this. We're going to put it to the side. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the water supply. So you can see my water supply here that's connected to my toilet. Let's go ahead and turn this off all the way. Now go ahead and flush all the water out of here, okay? Let it go all the way down. Make sure there's no water in there, okay? Next thing is you may want to go ahead and get a rag, and you might want to put it down there because you might have a little bit of water coming out that's remaining in the hose. So I'll put a rag down here. What you want to do is go ahead and unscrew this that's connected to your toilet here. Again, make sure there's no water in here. Let's go ahead and unscrew this. And you can see a little bit of water come out, no problem. Now the next thing we're going to do is put this T adapter, okay? We're going to put this part, make sure there's a rubber black washer that's in here, okay? So this part we're going to put up to here, and then this part we're going to connect down here, and the other skinny hose we're going to connect it here. So first, let's go ahead and put this on here. You should be able to hand tighten it if you have semi-strong hands. Okay, that's tight. Now let me go ahead and swing this little hose. Just point it towards the front, this little one here. Now this bottom one here, we're going to connect it to the bottom. Okay, there we go. And make sure that you don't over tighten it, okay? Now the next one is go ahead and grab your skinny hose. And what you want to do is put it on here. So let's go ahead and tighten up this on here. All right. Now the next thing, let's go ahead and grab the bidet. And on this hose right here, we want to go ahead and connect the other end, the back of this bidet attachment. So let's go ahead and screw this in. All right, that should be good enough. Next thing is go ahead and grab the bidet, and we can put it right on your toilet like this. And go ahead and grab these rectangle things. What we want to do is just put it on top of here like this. And what we're going to have to do is put the toilet seat on top of here and match the holes so the screw goes into the toilet seat and then through here. So leave it just like this, make sure it's kind of even, and then go ahead and grab your toilet seat and put this on top. Let me go ahead and tighten up both these a little bit, and then I'll make some minor adjustments, and then I'll go ahead and tighten the rest up. Let me just get these screws in. Let's get the other one in now. Okay, now just make sure everything is perfectly even before you go ahead and tighten the rest up, okay? Now just make sure everything is lined up, and then we can go ahead and tighten it now. So after the bidet and the toilet seat is attached, next thing we want to do is go ahead and turn on the water supply, and we want to check for leaks, okay? So let's go ahead and turn this on. You want to check all down here as well as on this little hose as well, okay? If there's anything loose, then I might have to re-tighten things up a little bit. Okay, so no leaks, everything is fine, is perfect except for this now, okay? Now you can see when I close my toilet seat, I have it open right here. It doesn't go all the way down flush, and the reason is because my toilet seat, you have this curve that's down, okay? Most of you guys aren't gonna have any issues with it not going all the way down. However, if you guys do, the only thing you gotta do is buy like a few of these toilet bumpers, and you can pop these. You can put those on there. So I just put on these toilet bumpers. You can see how I have it set up, just 3 of them. Most of you guys, again, are not going to need this, but if you do, I'll have a link below. Okay, so this way you won't have no gap when you go ahead and close it. Now let me take a quick test drive and then I'll get back to you. All right, so everything works perfect. I love the pressure on this. And really fast, let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so we have the nozzles here. So if I move it up, it's going to be for the rear. If I move this down, it's going to be for the female part. So let me give you a quick demonstration here. Let me just put this. So first thing is we're going to do the rear. So what I'm going to do is just press up, and you can increase and decrease the pressure. You can see. Then if I go down, the female nozzle is going to shoot out. Right there, I can lessen it up. I can go faster, more pressure, just like that. And now you have another nozzle down here. This is basically just a self-cleaning nozzle. The only thing that you have to do here is just lift it up, and it's going to go ahead and clean out the nozzles. When you're done, just stop. And there you go. No leaks, no issues. Looks nice. I like this black on top of here as well. Good luck.